Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are using the Narzo 90 and I'll show you how to manage sound and vibration settings easily. You can adjust ringtone, media volume and vibration options step by step. Before moving ahead, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and enable the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. So now let's begin.